Digitalization and connectivity are continuously evolving and rapidly moving on. Hohner has translated these topics to their business field and implemented a new function in their machines. The documentation of the complete workflow, the collection of all operational data, and the according analysis of all these shall allow our customers to recognize areas of optimization and a more efficient organization of their processes. In the following, we would like to demonstrate you an example of this new function on our fully automated saddle stitcher HSB 13000. Here on this screen, we have an overview of the various orders in the data manager of MBO. Let us select the first one. As you can see, another interface appears with various fields, such as the status, which is set on planned, the description, which is giving information about the signature of the order, here 4/16, 16, 16, 16, the quantity to be produced, 8,500, the start or end time, and other information. Now, on the HMI of the HSB 13000, you can see the overview of the start page with the disposition of the different stations. The wire stitching station, the trimmer, and the signature feeders are shown, among others. When you click the orange arrow in the top right corner, another window appears with the newly added functions. A folder icon can be set at the bottom of this window. When you click the icon, you land on a new interface with a list of the various orders. The list is the same as the one shown at the beginning on the MBO screen, and it can be refreshed by pressing the button Refresh to ensure that the list is up to date. After actualizing the page, you can select a specific order, which will be highlighted orange, and at the right side of the page you can see information about the production speed, the production quantity, the start as well as the end time of the production. To confirm the chosen order, you need to confirm it in 2 steps by selecting the green ticks. After confirming the order, a new window will appear, where you will have a list of formats from which you can select the one you need by clicking on the download button and confirm it by clicking on the green tick. After confirming the format, a new interface will appear where it is required to confirm the referencing of the wire stitching station and signature feeders by clicking on the green ticks. The HSB 13000 will set up for a while. Back on the MBO screen, you can see a status change from geplant, which means planned, to einrichten, meaning setup. By double-clicking on einrichten, thus setup, the detailed view of the order is displayed. Here you have an overview of the key production data, the setup time, and other data. These data are always updated after a certain time. After some minutes, the HSB 13000 has been set up. Back on the HMI panel, just like previously, you click on the orange arrow and an interface will pop up showing the setup time. You can now click on the production icon and the time will automatically be reset on 0, which is the start time of the production. You can now turn back to the home page by clicking the orange arrow and start the machine with this icon. Looking up on the screen, the machine speed increases and the counter starts counting. The preceding action has also been recorded in the data manager of MBO. As you can see, the status field changed from einrichten, meaning setup, to produziert, meaning producers. The key production data are continuously updated. After a while, we will be approaching the end of the production, and in the last 20 brushes you can press the Run Out button. The machine will run out and stop. To complete the order, as before, you click on the orange arrow. The window will appear, and you can see the duration of the order. By clicking the Finish icon, a little checkbox will pop up showing the difference between the quantity to be produced and the quantity already produced. You can confirm the quantity difference and click on the folder icon at the bottom. As you can see, the order list is updated and the produced order disappears from the list. Back to the MBO screen, you can see how the key production data have been updated and the status changed from produziert, means produces, to fertig, meaning finished. Hohner's continuous development, as well as open and accordingly flexible interfaces, enable the integration of all our saddle stitchers as of installation in autumn 2020 into the most diverse MIS systems. Hohner, perfection and Postpress.